A man who opened fire inside of a Las Vegas subway shop last week still has not been caught. The gunman fired several shots into the restaurant and hit the owner.
Yeah, Metro Police, that is, hope a newly released sketch of the suspect will lead to an arrest. And News 3's Antonio Castellan joining us live near Maryland Parkway and Pebble Road with the latest. So, Antonio, this was a very frightening situation that unfolded here. What can you tell us?
Crystal, the owner is doing much better. Nerves are still high at this subway shop after this shooting happened. Police, they are still trying to figure out who did this. Take a good look at this sketch. Police say this is the robbery suspect. He is a black man who is anywhere from 25 to 30 years old. He stands between 5'4", 5'6", weighing 145 pounds. Police say this man entered a subway shop at around 2:30 in the afternoon Wednesday, demanding money. The suspect forced two subway employees into the back room. While in there, a struggle happened between the suspect and a woman. The robber fired several shots at the victim, hitting her in the face. The man then took off with some money. Police are hoping surveillance images and the sketch leads to an arrest. Again, the woman was shot in the face. Her friends say miraculously they believe she will fully recover. Now police, they are looking for this suspect. If anyone has any information, you are urged to call Crime Stoppers at 702-385-5555.